Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You sign into Flipkart now and make sure your account is verified. This prevents checkout blocks. Once done, keep the physical or digital gift card code visible so you can copy it exactly. Open the Flipkart app or desktop site and navigate to My Account, then Gift Cards or Payments. This is where you add a card. Make sure to use the exact characters and check for similar-looking digits. Doing this early avoids errors later. You enter the gift card code in the Add Gift Card or Redeem field, then click Redeem or Add Balance. This credits your Flipkart wallet. Once applied, confirm the new balance shows under Wallet or Gift Card Credit so you know it's available. When you shop, add items to your cart, and at checkout select Wallet or Gift Card as the payment method. If the balance covers part, you'll be prompted to pay the remainder with another method. You proceed to payment and choose Wallet or Gift Card. Verify the correct amount is deducted, and then complete payment for any shortfall using another method. If the code is rejected, double-check each character, confirm the card hasn't expired, and ensure region or product restrictions aren't applied. If the balance still doesn't appear, take a screenshot and contact Flipkart support with your account and order ID.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.